Is it the right time to make a move on Alibaba stock? Let's delve deeper into this topic. We initially shared our report on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. However, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has identified Alibaba as a sell candidate with a score of -3.64. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further fall within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -14.45% change over the next 3 months. The potential return within this period ranges between -22.21% and -8.46%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -22.16% change over the next year. The potential return within this period ranges between -37.13% and -5.25%. This suggests a price range of $46.94 to $70.74 after a year. Our latest update on Alibaba brings some important news. The headline reads, Alibaba stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Thursday's trading session. On the last day, which was Thursday, January 4, 2024, the Alibaba stock price experienced a decrease of 2.52%. It went from $76.59 to $74.66. Throughout the trading day, the stock had fluctuations of 1.73%, ranging from a low of $74.44 to a high of $75.73. Although the price has shown an increase in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 0.97% for this period. The volume of shares traded also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive sign as volume should align with the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, totaling 18 million shares bought and sold at a value of approximately $1.33 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price of the stock reached $121.30, while the lowest price was $70.09. At present, the current price is 38.45% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $46.64. In addition, it is 76.62% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on October 27, 2020, when the price reached $319.32. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for Alibaba Group Holding Limited, commonly known as Alibaba. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Friday, December 1, 2023, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba a buy grade but with a downgrade action. Now, let's look at the rating from Friday, November 17, 2023. Both Benchmark and Mizuho Securities gave Alibaba a buy grade but with a hold action. Going back a little further, on Friday, November 17, 2023, Morgan Stanley also gave Alibaba an overweight grade, but with a hold action. And finally, let's not forget Tuesday, October 10, 2023. On that day, Benchmark gave Alibaba a buy grade, but with a hold action. According to analysts, Alibaba stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is considered a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Alibaba. On Monday, December 11, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 4.61%. We can expect further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are any upward corrections, there will likely be resistance at $76.10 and $75.71. A breakthrough above these levels would indicate buy signals. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, there was a sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, there was a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. Short Moving Average, there was a buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, there was a sell signal 82 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, there was a buy signal 69 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to Alibaba, there are a few key factors to consider. Firstly, the stock finds support from accumulated volume at $74.51. This support level could present a buying opportunity, as historically, we've seen an upwards reaction when this support is being tested. Moving on to risk, it's important to note that Alibaba has average movements during the day. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In simpler terms, the stock has a moderate level of volatility. Taking a closer look at recent data, we can see that over the last day, Alibaba's stock moved $1.28 between its high and low points. This represents a percentage movement of 1.73%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.9%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's first go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio might indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, potentially presenting a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings stand at $2.86. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $74.67. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this level could present a good opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at $74.51. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, the assessment is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this particular stock. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba currently shows several negative signals, indicating weak performance in the near future. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price of Alibaba is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 5th, we anticipate Alibaba to open up by $0.282 and start trading at $74.94. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. What are your thoughts on this stock? Share your opinion in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.